Hey y'all know we are back with another look. Get into it. Let me show you how I did this. So y'all know we started with the straight backs. All of her edges were already gel back. Putting oil on her scalp, and we're going ahead with the ball cap. Alright, y'all know you go in with some makeup that looks closely to their skin tone, and then we're gonna go ahead and try the wig on, make sure it fits perfectly. And I did do this custom color, so let me know in the comments if you guys want me to recreate it for you, and I would do that for y'all. And you guys can also purchase this unit from my website. This is the 20-inch Body Wave HD frontal unit. I will link my website in the description below. After cleaning her skin with 91% alcohol, I go in with my skin protectant, and then I did 4 layers of Erica J's lace glue. Make sure you let each layer dry clear before applying the next one. Alright, and then I'm going in with a few layers, and then I'm going to get into the styling.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things.
Look, scalp already, but y'all know we're about to get into cutting the lace, and then I'm going to remelt it, you know, do the final meltdown, and then we're gonna get into the baby hairs. Y'all know the routine, like y'all know how it go.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Ayy, ayy, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside. And I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side.
And that, my guys, that's what you call a scalp. Okay? So we're about to get into the baby hairs. We're going to cut them, curl them up, lay them down. Alright, and now I'm just finishing up, and then we're gonna just comb out the curls a little bit. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for the 300 subscribers. Y'all are really lit. Like, I love y'all. So I will see y'all next week with a new video, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next week.
Cater to